The cultural and scientific context of healing. Sound. Sound is not just background. Sound is information. The nervous system constantly processes. Humans evolved in sound-rich but coherent environments. Wind, water, footsteps, voices, all carried meaning. Sound shapes the inner environment. And the inner environment shapes how we live. The nervous system does not judge sound as good or bad. It only reacts to pattern, intensity, unpredictability. Noise like information. Unpredictable. Aggressive. Attention-grabbing. Designed to interrupt. Nourishing sound. Consistent. Spacious. Non-demanding. Allows the mind to rest. Not all information is nourishing. Some sounds feed the mind. Others only occupy it. Just like we choose food, we can learn to choose sound. We live inside sound. Even when we think we are in silence, we are not. Sound is always present, and your nervous system is always listening. The question is not if sound affects you. The question is, what kind of information you allow inside. Humans did not evolve in silence. We evolved inside meaningful sound. Wind meant weather. Footsteps meant presence. Voices meant connection or danger. Sound was never decoration. It was information. And your nervous system still works the same way today. The nervous system does not understand words. It understands patterns, rhythm, intensity, predictability, space. It reacts before you think, before you decide, before you understand. You don't get used to sound. Your body adapts, often by staying tense. Not all information is nourishing. Some sounds feed the nervous system. Others only occupy it. Modern sound environments are designed to interrupt, to demand attention, to keep the mind alert, not at peace. This is not about good or bad music. It is about how much space sound leaves inside you. Nourishing sound does not compete for attention. It does not rush you. It does not shock you. It does not ask you to react. It allows the nervous system to breathe. Just like food affects the body, sound affects the inner environment. You cannot control every sound around you. But you can choose what you return to, what you rest in, what you let stay. This is not discipline. This is hygiene. Mental hygiene. emotional hygiene, nervous system hygiene. Awareness is the first step. Silence is the second. And choice is where everything begins. This course was not created to give you answers. It was created to shift attention to sound, to space, to what you allow into your inner environment. You don't need to remember everything. You don't need to apply anything perfectly. Awareness is enough. Sound is always around you. What changes is how you listen. And that choice now belongs to you. Thank you for taking this time, for listening, for being present. This is where we stop, and where your own experience continues.